According to the origin, life on Earth, Earth and the other planets of the solar system were formed about 4.6 billion years ago, condensing from a vast cloud of dust and rocks that surrounded the young sun. At the beginning of the solar system, planet Earth was being surrounded by chunks of rocks and ice. The collisions generated so much heat that all of the available water was vaporized. This massive bombardment ended 4 billion years ago. We invite you to stay until the end of this video to know exactly what happened on the last day of the dinosaurs. Did an asteroid kill all the dinosaurs? In 1980, Nobel Prize-winning physicist Luis Walter Alvarez and his geologist son Walter published a theory that a historic layer of iridium-rich clay was caused by a large asteroid colliding with Earth. The instantaneous devastation in the immediate vicinity and the widespread secondary effects of an asteroid impact were considered to be why the dinosaurs died out so suddenly. So, what's an asteroid? An asteroid is a large, rocky body that orbits the sun. According to the Natural History Museum, they say that a large asteroid collided in the Gulf of Mexico region of the Earth. On that day, it was recorded that around 75% of the Earth's animals, including dinosaurs, were extinct as a result of this asteroid collision. According to a documentary created by the Daily Motion, dinosaurs ruled the Earth for 150 million years, then suddenly they were gone. Their disappearance is one of the planet's greatest mysteries, unimaginable until now. Last Day of the Dinosaurs portrays a minute-by-minute chronology of the Chicxulub impact that ended the reign of the dinosaurs and forever changed the course of life on Earth. Science News explorers later reported how dinosaurs saw their last view with the collision. Hurry to know that. Let's travel back 66 million years to a balmy day in what is now Texas. A herd of 30-ton Alamosauruses graze peacefully in a steamy marsh. Suddenly, a blinding light and a scorching fireball envelop them. Moreover, the theory of biochemical evolution describes the origin of life on Earth. It derives direct evidence for life on early Earth from fossils of microorganisms that are about 3.5 billion years old. Observations and experiments in chemistry, geology, and physics have provided evidence for the appearance of the first living cells. Theory of biochemical evolution arose from the hypothesis based on chemical and physical processes on early Earth. Did you know that there were 4 geological eons and 3 eras of evolution? They are Hadean Eon, Archean Eon, Proterozoic Eon, and Phanerozoic Eon. The origin of the Earth took place in the Hadean Eon. The oldest known rocks on the Earth's surface, oldest fossils of cells, and concentration of atmospheric oxygen begin to increase in Archean Eon. Diverse algae, soft-bodied invertebrate animals, and oldest fossils of eukaryotic cells appeared in the Proterozoic Eon. The remaining eon was named the Phanerozoic Eon, divided into 3 eras. They are Paleozoic era, Mesozoic era, and Cenozoic era. When we learn about the topic today, dinosaurs evolved and radiated in the Mesozoic era. Did you know that these gigantic dinosaurs became extinct also in this era? Yes, you heard it right. The last day of dinosaurs on this Earth is also this Mesozoic era. Up to this point, as we have talked about the Mesozoic era, we thought of discussing more information that happened during the last day of the dinosaurs on the Earth. On that day, the sunshine was almost higher than the other days. That day was somewhat clumsy with sunshine. Shafts of sunlight rake through the swamps and coniferous forests along the coast of what is now Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. The blood-warm seas of the Gulf of Mexico teem with life as this lost world of dinosaurs and outsized insects squawks and buzzes and whirs to life. An asteroid the size of a mountain is hurtling toward Earth at about 40,000 miles an hour. Has anyone watching this video experienced the noise of a TNT explosion anywhere? On that day, suddenly a fireball with a higher brightness than the sun appeared in the sky. After the appearance, it came towards the Earth at a higher speed and immediately slammed into the land, causing a similar explosion created by over 100 trillion tons of TNT. Due to this sudden natural disaster, almost 80% of the animals who lived on the Earth, including dinosaurs, were affected by this heavy, gigantic explosion. Suddenly, the heavy sunshine that keeps the land lighter changes into a heavy darkness. This darkness started to spread the near distance of Mexico and also far away from it. What else? Are you searching for some incidents that occurred 66 million years ago in the Mesozoic era? Keep watching. Our exploration is not over. At the time, the world was a much warmer place. There were no ice caps and water levels were higher. The North American continent was split in two by the Western Interior Seaway. Tanis is located on what was the edge of that massive river, which became a conduit of carnage after the asteroid struck. The shock waves from nearly 3,000 miles away caused the seaway to erupt with a tsunami of epic proportions. Half of the planet's species died out. As a result of the death of the dinosaurs, the evolution of some animals such as impressive birds, snakes, crocodiles, rhinos, and more, including the largest of all time, appeared as a result of evolution. Also, the evolved animals underscored the Earth later. Some of the examples are Barolambda, Titanoboa, Baranasuchus, Paraceratherium, Megalania, elephant bird, Pelagornis sandersi, Otodus megalodon, steppe mammoth, and blue whale are some of them. We hope that you learned lots of unknown things that happened 66 million years ago. Now, you even have the ability to imagine how that day was. The comment section is yours. Comment how you feel about this factor as you wish. Until we meet next time, keep exploring.